If you've been suffering with knees and pain, you stand on your knees, doing like that, and you have maybe your ankles, you have gout, something like so, this is just a remedy that I think it will help you. So let's get into the video. This is the castor oil plant, ne? I'm gonna cut off a few here. You see the plant here? Let me just get some nicer leaves here. Here I have the plant. This is the castor oil plant. In Afrikaans, people call this plant the olieblaar. So what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna heat up the blaar in the microwave. Then we're gonna put it on the area where there's pain. Right, let us heat it up. Yes. I also use some plastic, two pieces of plastic. Now you're gonna put it on the areas where there's pain. I'm gonna put it on my knees here. Cover my whole knee, and then I'm gonna put a plastic on it, and then I'm gonna cure it with some cellotape like so. If you have clean red, then it's much better. This is normal plastic, Yeah, I put both of it on it. What you do after this, you must do this at night. You must put on some of your pajama pants, or you can put on a bandage here. You don't want the sound of it, you can put a bandage on here. Because in order for this to work, it must keep it like warm, so that it can relax the muscle, and so that the pain and stuff can go away over time. You can do this maybe for um, 2 or 3 times a week, or you can do it a whole week. It depends on what is the level of your pain. Keep it on overnight. Tomorrow morning, you just take it off, and then you do it at night again. If you're doing all these things, making the leaves and put it on and all these things, yeah, I'm selling the joint oil, the pain oil. I also sell the pain spray, but this is just, yeah, I have the spray as well. So please, and the link is in the bio. Thank you.